pirates. I was so pissed when I saw that. I'm like, pirates? And then when I looked at them, I was like, these aren't pirates. Them don't look like pirates. They look like a bunch of carjackers on water. Why are we with these little kids? It's like, oh, well, they had machine guns. What, have you seen how big these cargo ships are? They're enormous. What the fuck? They had machine guns. Well, only way a gun can hurt you when you're on that ship is if you stick your stupid head off the side and look down at the pirates. And who are these shitty-ass captains allowing these little kids to take their big-ass boat? That's a shitty captain. If I'm the captain, I say, Captain, there's some pirates. Yeah, there's some pirates down there. Oh yeah, I just caught a bullet. Look, see? Yeah, pirates are down there. You the captain. All you gotta do is take that wheel and do one of these. Oh yeah, they're gone. Pirates. I was so pissed. You know, the one that we caught, we should make an example out of him. Yeah, they should chop his leg off and stick a broom handle up there, put a hook on his hand, stick a parrot on his shoulder, slap an eye patch on him, and kick his ass back to Somalia.